Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechWash. If your GCash app keeps crashing or auto-closing on Android, don't worry. This video will help you get it working again. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Search for GCash. Tap Force Stop. Go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Open Google Play Store. Search GCash. Update if available. Restart your device. Go back to Settings. Scroll down to Developer option. Turn it off. This simple step can solve the auto closing or crashing issue easily. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.